shoe backfire.
Uh-oh. Oh, Granddad's gonna fly off of there.
He does hold it though, doesn't he?
Granddad is hanging right on. Listen to him screaming.
That lift up a 2-4 wheel. Take the power out. No.
The gas now.
Look what you did.
Is that the gas now?
Friggin' right.
Hey, you can't just leave it there.
Yeah, I can't leave it. Where you going?
What are you gonna do when you're back in the woods on the bike by yourself?